Uh, a great day for me because what I see before me reminds me of my childhood, and I will speak about that in a bit. But I first want to thank you, Jiggy, and Dream Theaters, and also Carving Dreams for bringing this ideation and executing this for us so beautifully. Is my voice booming too much? Can you hear me? हाँ आपके कानों को तक all my lazy afternoons playing with these pens and pencils, assigning them superhero statuses, and Kambal ke saath I used to make mountains, and I used to just sit and I used to spend hours and hours creating my own stories and associating with the good guy and the evil guy and building my own life struggles through their animated moves that I used to do with my hands. तो मुझे याद है कि all that I think somewhere created my visions of the kind of person that I wanted to be in my life. This is a service that we are providing. I see it as a service. It's also, of course, a business, but no business works. So I'm full of gratitude, and I thank you all, for helping us in providing this service to the world and to the children. Our children are our future, and just let's give them the vision of a happy world, a vision of a courageous world, a vision where they can bring out their true power with love and contribute, like how we all are doing. We all are contributing to the world. All the photographers here, the people with the video cameras, all of you are actually contributing to the world, and that is the only way to be happy in life. It's a service. So thank you for being who you are and whatever you're doing in your life, and thank you again, Dream Theater, Carving Dreams. Thank you to my dad for being the flag bearer. I shudder to think that if he didn't exist, there would never be a superhero genre in our cinema. There would never be aliens in our cinema. He's broken barriers, and he's always taken. Face should be on all the pillow covers. Yeah, thank you. I'm delighted, absolutely delighted. Thank you.
I have a question for Hrithik that have said. For your kids, do they see it as Hrithik the superhero, or is it Krish the superhero?
Well, I always hope that they see me as Dad the superhero. That is the most important, because I think being a father is the biggest chance and opportunity to be a superhero in your life.
Fantastic. Just to reiterate some of the key issues which Rakesh brought up, and I'm just trying to tie that up because of the number of meetings that he's had to make sure that he's both, I don't need to say that, but I must say it here, that both father and son are such perfectionists that it's just a joy to work with them. So he was very clear: pricing, product, uniformity of the product, different tiers of pricing, but very importantly, when a consumer walks out of the
theaters also, so when people or youngsters, when they come out of the theater, they can buy certain things what they would like to.
That's fantastic.
And a lot has gone into this committee all over, and you can see the hard work which has gone in this, because these are all sketched, and so we took a lot of pains. This is a different genre of putting in all your hard work besides making a film. So this was going on simultaneously when
Amazing, all the way from Koi Mil Gaya up to Krish 3, the animation series which come up on Cartoon Network. So it's extended all the way through. The products in many cases will be available for the next 1.5 to 2 years, sir. So when is the next Krish?
Appreciation for both of you for making this such a special occasion for us.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you all.
Thank you so much for joining us today. Can we have this table moved out, please? May I please request the stills to go down a little, please?
ऋतिक जी यहाँ पे ऋतिक वन फॉर द वीडियो
Please can the stills settle down?
राकेश यहाँ पे वो जादू का साइकिल है जादू आया कि आगे भी ले सकते हैं छक्का भी ले सकते हैं चलो चलिए लास्ट
Thank you so much, Namu. Thank you. That's it.
साउंड मिक्स पर जाना है अगर वो खत्म नहीं हुआ तो पिक्चर नहीं आएगी मैंने हो जाएगा ऋतिक जी यहाँ पे ऋतिक सब खुश अब जाता हूँ